Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create your first, well maybe not your first, but a broadcast email in Kartra. So here we are on the in the back office of the system, and we want to come here to My Campaigns, and then we want to pick a list that we want to promote to. So come here to List, and oh wait, no, I'm sorry. You go to Campaigns right here, then go to Broadcasts. Sorry, it's been a long day, kind of crazy. But, okay, so now you come here, you go to Broadcast, and you go to Broadcast Name, then you give it a name. Alright, then you select the list or the category you want to put it in. And then now you are going to, when it loads, you're going to create, set up the email. So you want to do send by email, and then always change this to make it look professional and be your business email. So yeah, just make sure you customize your emails to your business domain, because you want it to look as professional as possible. And I don't think you can use a Gmail to send emails anyway. Save and next. Recipients, select a list. Subscribe to a list, select the list, and then just pick the list that you want to do. And then now you see the amount of people it's sending to. Save and next. You want to send one email, and so I already have the email pre-written, so you want to enter in your subject line, okay, right here. So just get your subject and put it in the subject, and then here are the dynamic variables you could use to kind of customize it. So I use first name, and then to start the email it's going to say, let's start with a confession. So let's start with a confession, and then you can copy and paste. So I put blue where I'm going to do the links, and so I highlight it again in blue and bold it and also underline it, and then I grab the link and put it where I want. Here's my link. Copy, paste the link, target, new window. Okay. Alright, what else do I want to hyperlink in this video? In this video, bold, underline, blue, hyperlink, boom, new window. Okay, now if we want to add a picture, we could do that, because I think the picture is next. Oh wait, let's also bold this. So all you have to do is come here, grab the picture, and you can hyperlink the picture. So if people click on it, then it'll also open up the website you're sending them to in a new tab. So we'll let that load for a second. But then we can go down and copy the rest to your success, Marissa. Copy, and we have 2 hyperlinks that we have in the next section. Alright, I'm going to pause the video until it loads. Alright, so I went ahead and typed out the rest of the email, and I added 1 picture at the bottom. You can hyperlink this picture. Oops, wrong link. By just clicking on it and then clicking the hyperlink button. So let me get my link here. And then it goes right there. Okay. All right, now we're ready. But it's always smart to send a test email. So let's send one to my personal email and see what it looks like. Okay, now let's check our email and see if everything works. Okay, so it looks like both links did work to where I wanted them to go, so that's good. Now we can come back here, test email sent, and we're good to go ahead and save and next so that we can move on with sending the email. And oops, close out this links. Okay, we don't want automations, save and next. I'm going to send this now, but you can schedule it for later. It's going by Eastern Standard Time, and it's on military time, so be aware of that. But you can send now, save and next. Are you sure? Yes. Congratulations, sending your broadcast now. So that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. And please like this video if you got some value from it. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All right, we'll see you on the next video.